Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Cindy Erica Nalos Gallardo. I'm 29 years old. I live in Amunitan, Gonzaga, Cagayan, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and I have four kids. They are 12, 11, 9, and 1 years old. I studied high school graduate only at Ifil National High School. I work in Kuwait for 1 year and 6 months. I take care of four kids. They are 11, 8, and 1 years old twins. I don't finish my contract because they migrate to other country. I know also how to cook Filipino food, Arabic food, but I don't know how to cook Chinese food. But I'm willing to learn how to cook, madam and sir. I know also how to read storybooks like Cinderella, Snow White, and Pinocchio. I know also how to sing a baby song. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Thank you, madam and sir.